Are your essential Premiere Pro effects and effect controls panels playing hide and seek, derailing your editing flow? Don't let a missing panel bring your creativity to a halt. This quick tutorial will guide you through restoring those vital editing tools in Premiere Pro. First, let's ensure the effects panel itself is enabled. Navigate to the window menu at the very top of your Premiere Pro interface from the drop-down list. Locate and click on Effects. If it was unchecked, it will now appear, usually docked in a panel group. Next, the Effect Controls panel, where all the magic happens again. Go to the window menu this time, find and click on Effect Controls. This panel is crucial for adjusting the properties of any effects you apply. If both panels are technically checked but still not visible, or if your workspace feels jumbled, it's time to reset your workspace. For a clean slate, go to the window menu. Then to Workspaces, select the editing workspace. This is the default and usually brings back all standard panels. If editing doesn't do the trick, or if you've customized your layout and want to revert to a previous stable state, go back to Window, then Workspaces, and choose Reset to Saved Layout. This will restore the panel arrangement as it was when you last saved it, or to the default if no custom layout has been saved. Sometimes, the Effect Controls panel only appears when a clip is selected on your timeline, so make sure you have a clip highlighted in your timeline panel. Once selected, check for your Effect Controls panel. You should now see the adjustable properties for that clip. If the panels are still stubbornly absent, let's try a more thorough reset. Go to the Edit menu or Premiere Pro on Mac, then Preferences, and select General in the Preferences window. Look for the Workspace tab, click the Reset Current Workspace button. This is a deeper reset for your panel configurations. And there you have it. Your effects and effect controls panels should now be back in their rightful place, allowing you to dive back into your video editing with all the tools you need.